Okay, got the Aeroforce Scangauge. Check it out here. So it's set up for ICP, duty cycle, and map pressure right now. The button on the left cycles through, so now it's injector pulse width. Oil tip's about 85 degrees. Transmission temp, RPMs, not moving, so 0 mile an hour. Map, battery voltage, back pressure for exhaust, and back to duty cycle. And then on this side here is the lower ones. So you can see I can cycle back through them again. I can choose whatever I want. So there's injector pressure and then having duty cycle at the same time. I haven't put in my analog oil pressure and fuel pressure sensors yet, so I just wanted to play with this a little bit and check out how it works. You can actually check your torque converter slip. I have to see if that actually works. I haven't seen it work right yet, so I'm not sure. To get to the main, you just push the two buttons together. Left button scrolls, right button selects. So you can see right there I'm set up for scan mode. You can do the setup. You can do a cyclic scan where it cycles through all the different ones, and then how to set it up for which ones you want to see. The time, you can record data, play your data back. You can get your DTC codes. You can clear DTCs. That's invert the colors. Change the dim, obviously. The data rate that it gets the information at. I haven't played with performance statistics. Annunciator, you can actually set highs and lows for your different settings, so that way you can get a warning. Like I set my transmission temp for 210 degrees, and then you can turn the annunciator on or off. Horsepower adjustment, obviously it's something probably we use with the power stroke. You can change your altitude probably for your barometric pressures. Miles per gallon, I'm sure that won't work either. You can reset it. That's where my analog 1 and analog 2, that will be my oil pressure and fuel pressure. You can choose the different logos here. So you can see there's Interceptor right now is selected. Scroll down through each one. And of course the best one, gotta get used to these little buttons though. And that's what the Power Stroke diesel one looks like. So if you hold the button down, it scans pretty fast. You can do tire size, probably for the mile per hour thing in here. See if you need to adjust it, you can change it a little bit. And then controls. So this is where you can do your tests. So So you can do the buzz test, the cylinder test. So we'll go ahead and do the contribution test. So now it's testing. And then no codes. Only because I'm running a black cam position sensor though. So it goes back, so we'll go back. Okay, so for the buzz test, you select it, and then you go to exit. Now it tells me with the key on and the engine off, you push the button. And there, the buzz test is done.